How important is a aftermarket alarm system? An aftermarket alarm system, you guys, is so important because these vehicles, the Hellcat, the Scat Pack, the TRX, the Hellcat Durango, the Demon 170, all these cars can be stolen in 1 minute or less. We all know these cars get stolen a whole lot. That's nothing new. So I went to Tint World the other day to get something fixed on my car, right? And I ran to this guy, older guy, very nice person. We was talking. He bought a plum crazy SRT Dodge Challenger Hellcat, brand new, last call. He bought it for his wife.
Well, actually, I bought it for my wife, believe it or not.
You bought a Hellcat for your wife?
Yeah.
Yes? Oh my God. What does she know about these cars?
Oh, she just always wanted a muscle car.
Oh yeah? He bought a Hellcat for his wife. So we talking, you know, he knows his car, you guys. And he asked me, he was like, why do I need a aftermarket alarm system? I'm like, listen, the alarm system that comes on these cars will not prevent your car from getting stolen. These cars get targeted. These cars get stolen every day. These cars are easy to steal. So you need an alarm system in order to prevent your car from getting stolen. I'm going to play the video real quick for you guys. That way you guys can see that I'm not lying. I was telling him to get an alarm ASAP.
Yes.
That's one of the most important things you should get on these cars. An alarm and a kill switch.
Well, now, it comes with some type of alarm.
Yeah, but this alarm system on these cars is terrible. These cars they get stolen really, really easy. Really easy. And if you do not get an alarm system on these cars or a kill switch or get a tracker installed on these, you will get all the above, yeah. You will get this thing stolen. As you guys can see, I was talking to him and I was telling him that, you know, he needs a aftermarket alarm system. I went with the Viper, you guys. I have heard so many good things, if I can pronounce this right. CompuStart. I heard a lot of great things about that alarm. One of the best alarms out there on the market for your vehicle, for any vehicle. I went in with the Viper. Viper has been great to me. Viper notifies me when somebody is touching my car. The car for any noise will go off and it will alert me on my little beeper that's on my keychain. Also, another great device that you can get is Car Lock, you guys. Car Lock will notify you for vibration. Car Lock will notify you if somebody started your car. Car Lock will notify you in a whole lot of different ways, and it can prevent your car from getting stolen. I know a lot of people be like, oh, you know, putting all these, you know, devices on your car to prevent it from getting stolen. People can still carjack you. Well, that's why you get a GPS tracker. If somebody carjack you at gunpoint and put a gun to your face for the car, let them take the car, you guys. Your life is more important. At that point, he takes your car, you know, you have a tracker on your car, you, your wife, your mother, your sister, they can see where your car is going, you know, and that person that carjacked you at gunpoint don't know that there's a tracker inside of somewhere in the car. He can't find it. He's worrying about getting the car to the destination so they can start stripping it, or they can just park it there until they sell it. Because that's most of the time what they do. They'll steal the car, they'll park it somewhere, wait till somebody will buy it from them for way less, or they'll strip it down for parts, you know? So guys, a tracker is a must on these cars. If they carjack you at gunpoint, you can track your car and see where it's going. But an alarm system, you guys, an aftermarket alarm system is so important on these cars because an alarm system will make noise.
There you go.
Oh, there you go. You know, it will scare people away. Let's say you take your car to Walmart, right? And you finna go grocery shopping. And you wanted to take your Hellcat because you don't always want to have your Hellcat parked up in your garage. You want to enjoy your Hellcat. Why would you buy a $100,000 car or a $80,000 car, whatever, and not take it to places, you know, and show it off. You know, Hellcats are beautiful, you guys. Of course, you want to show off your car. So let's say you take it to Walmart. Let's say you have a good alarm system that can notify you if somebody is trying to steal your car. So let's say you take it to Walmart. It's going to make noise, you guys. People are going to be looking at what's going on with that car. Once it starts making noise, you're going to want to know what's going on. I know somebody will look at a car, like if the alarm is going off, somebody's going to look like, you know, is that car okay? You know, it's like hearing the little boy cry, pretty much. You know, you want to make sure, is he okay, you know? Same way with your car, you guys. When an alarm go off, people want to see what's going on with that car. Is that car okay? You know, did anybody touch that car? Did anybody, you know? So an alarm system, an aftermarket, not the factory one, because you are not going to prevent your Hellcat or your track car or your SRT Demon 170. You're not going to prevent it from getting stolen if you keep that factory alarm system. That is not going to prevent anything. You're going to get your car stolen. So an alarm system, you got an aftermarket one, will prevent, and it will help you from getting your car stolen, you guys. There are so many things you can do to prevent your car from getting stolen. And I feel like an alarm system is number one. I'm going to play this video of this TRX. It's parked in somebody's driveway. And there's these two guys approaching the truck. And it seems like they're there to steal the truck. You know, they're not there to play. They're not there because they're trying to visit the owner. They are there for that truck. They want to take that truck. And I'm going to play the video for you guys right now and look at what happens. You guys see how important an aftermarket alarm is? A tracker, a steering wheel lock, a kill switch, car lock, an alarm system, Viper, CompuStart, whatever. All these things are important, you guys. All these things are important. Keeping the car factory, your car is going to get stolen. I got my Scat stolen, you guys. I put so much money and effort to this vehicle, and I got it stolen in less than 2 minutes. I kept the car factory. I thought it would never happen to me, and it did. And I don't want this to happen to you. This guy that is making this video right here is not just talking just to talk, just to make a video. I literally experienced my car getting stolen. But yeah, you guys, you got to get all these things. You got to get an aftermarket alarm system. You got to get a tracker. You got to get a steering wheel lock, a kill switch. You have to do all these things in order to prevent your car from getting stolen. And I know a lot of you guys be like, well, if I do all that, they still can, you know, rob me. Well, that's why you put a tracker on your car. You put a tracker, that way you can track your car to where it's going, and you can call the police and, you know, pull up to these people's houses with the police and get your car back, you know. And these people gonna get in trouble, you know. But you got to do everything that you possibly can, you guys, to prevent your Hellcat and your Scat Pack or your track car or your, what is wrong with my camera, yo? Gotta get a tracker, you guys, and get a tracker where nobody can find it. Nobody. Put it in the car somewhere, you know what I'm saying, where nobody can find it, you know. But you guys, I'm speaking from experience. You know, I went through this myself, and, you know, I feel like you can never stop talking about this with people, because a lot of people don't have any knowledge. Like, I was talking to that guy, and, you know, he's an older guy. He don't know, you know. He's thinking that, you know, that the car is fine from factory. Like, you know, he thinking that, you know, the car how it is going to prevent people from stealing his car. And no, You have to get an aftermarket alarm system on your Hellcat, your Tracker, your TRX, your Hellcat Durango. You have to do these things. All these things that I just named, you have to do it. You have to. Because if you don't, you're going to get your car stolen. Your insurance is going to go up. And a lot of you guys do modifications to your Hellcat. A lot of you guys wrap your car. You put new wheels. You might put money into the engine. You know, you might get an air intake, a leg maker, or a Corsa. You know, so you put all this money into your Hellcat, your Scat Pack, your TRX, your Hellcat Durango, or your Trackhawk, and, you know, somebody steal it. You're going to be mad because you invested all this money on this car and now you cannot get this money back. Let's say you put a carbon fiber hood on your Trackhawk. That shit was like $2 grand and they steal it. You know, and you didn't have nothing to track your Trackhawk, you know? Now your Trackhawk is gone. You invested $2,000 on your hood. You put a leg maker on it. You put starlights on your roof. You know, you invested mad money on this car, and now this car is gone. You can't get that money back. You know, so guys, prevent your car from getting stolen. You know, a lot of you guys, like I said, like to put money into these cars, and you will not get that money back if you get your car stolen. And another thing that I'm going to tell you that's very important, a lot of people don't tell you this. Be careful who you take your car to. You know, a lot of people that we take our cars to are criminals. They are. You know, you thinking this shop is nice and they run a legit business. I ran into a video where this rim shop was running a legit business, and at night it was a shop. Literally. So be careful who you take your car to, you guys, to get work done. But you guys, this is needed. A kill switch, an alarm, a tracker, all these things are needed. Prevent your car from getting stolen, you guys. You do not want to get your Trackhawk, your TRX, your Hellcat, or your Demon 170, or your Demon stolen. You know, these cars are very expensive, and a lot of us, we spend a lot of money on these cars, and money that we might not get back if it gets stolen. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.